Where are you from?
I am from Paris, France. And you?
I was born here in Los Angeles, California.
Oh, that's why you look like a California girl. Hot and cool.
Oh, really? I'm hot and cool? Is that a good thing?
Of course, it's a good thing. You're like summer in California. Everyone wants to be around you.
So can I take a vacation since it's already summer?
Only if you take me with you.
Where should I take you next? Do you want to go to the art museum?
I love art, yes. Let's go.
Why is that girl looking at you? Who is she? Who is she?
I don't know. I have never seen her before. Let's go to the art museum.
Subscribe for more.